Nice misty morning. Hopefully it clears up a bit to go for the walk to the Cascades. Ooh, kettle's boiling. Yeah, morning. Thought I'd just show you quickly around the campsite here, since we didn't have much time last night. So this is the Cascades campsite. There's only 6 spots. Nice new toilet block. So there's 6 individual sites from what I can see, and they're all numbered. Each got a fire ring, a table. It's the walk over there that we're going to do shortly. So I think you can actually pre-book these through national parks, and then you just have to give them the site number. It's number 5. So the river's just down the bottom there, so I definitely think these ones along the edge are the best. It's number 3. These would be my picks, I think. Site number 3 here. And then number 2, which is where I stayed last night. Tucked away in the corner with the steps down to the river. So we're going to head down for the Cascades walk now. It says 40 minutes return. So we'll see how long it actually takes. I think it's about 10 o'clock now. So yeah, we'll check in when we get there. Here's a viewing platform. Wow. It's insane. It's not a lot of water though. So we made it down here. Literally took about 10 minutes, I reckon. The sign said 40-minute return, but we got here in about 10 minutes. That's even stopping and taking a few photos. It's a lot of steps to go back up, so it might be a bit longer to head up, but definitely do it in less than 40. Still very misty, drizzly. Sun's trying to come through. It's only just trickling over. I'm guessing after some good rain she'd be gushing over there. And probably off that bit as well. It's a rope. Nice big anchor point. Pull yourself back out of the swimming hole. I have seen videos where people are sliding down here. Oh yeah, it's nice and slimy. Lovely spot. So I just come up from the Cascades, not much water, so I think I'll give the Churros Falls a miss. Come back another time when there's plenty of water on it. So back to the campground.